How to get fluffy hair naturally. So let's talk about when the word natural, right? Or naturally. Naturally basically means that it's going to do it on its own. Nothing has to happen for you to get this, okay? Well, that's almost impossible. You need to manipulate your hair, use some sort of styling tool like a brush or something to actually create the look. It doesn't just happen on your own. If you wanted to do no effort or no tools, no products, nothing to try to get your hair naturally fluffy, then this is the one thing I would suggest is to take your hair, and it has to be long enough. Remember, this is straight hair. It could be fine hair, it could be a lot of hair, but it works best on straight hair. What you want to do is lift from the root area on dry hair and just keep lifting and lifting and lifting from the scalp like you're trying to expand, right? So you think fluffy, you think very poofy and kind of big, so you're trying to expand the hair, and look, we've got fluffy hair. So I mean, like, this is the most natural way you can do it. Once again, if you take a look at this hair length, you see there's a lot of hair, right? It's not going to work if your hair is an inch long or this long like this, right? This hair comes all the way down to here. Look at this. It comes down to like the bridge of the nose. You need to have longer hair to do this. So you want to get natural fluff to your hair. Lift and expand. Lift and expand just like that, okay? Next thing, if you're blow drying your hair, I will suggest using my 2-inch round brush. This is a ceramic ionic technology round brush, and what this does is it helps prevent from heat damage on your hair because of the ceramic plate right here, and also of the barrel. The ionic technology will help condition your hair better. It'll help blow dry it faster and smoother and healthier. So what you can do is while you're blow drying, you can take this brush, once again, the hair length has to be this length, and you can roll the hair all back like this. So you're gonna roll it back and blow dry it to where everything, it looks like it's being back. Then, my anti-static vent brush. This is available. All these things are available, shop.thesalonguy.com, or you can even shop right here on YouTube. But this anti-static vent brush, it's got the rubber handle. This prevents from the hair flying all over the place. What you then do is you brush the hair all the way back off your face like this. See, you're brushing, it's creating a feathered look, and look how fluffy the hair is getting. All right, you're simply just brushing the hair. You need to use this brush though, and look, you've got fluffy hair all of a sudden. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't, like, there's no other way around it. Then if you want to hold it like this, I would suggest using maybe my locked hairspray or, you know, Tidal Wave or something to set it and forget it. But this is how you get fluffy hair. And then from this point on, you can take your hands, you can rake it like so, and then expand it. All you're doing is lifting, and there you go. You've got fluffy hair. So once again, for those of you who are looking for a quote-unquote natural method, this is the best and only thing really I would suggest that you can do. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.